Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in AutoCAD. In this tutorial, we are going to create an orthographic view of this 3D model. Orthographic view is nothing but representing the 3D model into a 2D models. For example, we have this 3D model. This 3D model can be represented as front view, top view and right side view. The same way, we are going to create a front view, top view, side view for this model. Now, for that, go to the AutoCAD software, go to the new. Now, we have opened the AutoCAD. For easy explanation, I'm just going to keep this file left side, software in the right side. I'm just taking this to here. Yes. Now we can easily explain. Our model, 3D model is this one. Now we just want to create a front view. We are seeing from here. By seeing from here, we can see this face, this inclined face here, this face, as well as this face and this face. This all face we can see. Similarly, we can see this inclined face. This is the front view. By seeing in the top view, we can see this top surface as well as these two surfaces. This inclined face also we can see. And from the side view, by seeing from here, we can see this rectangle and this face as well as this face. The same view we are going to model it. First, set the units. Just type units. Our units are in millimeter. Choose millimeter. Say OK. Then we need to specify the limit. Just enter limits. The bottom left corner. Here you can see lower left corner is 0, 0. Enter. Right corner I am just taking as 500, 500. Just enter. Then type Z. Enter. Then A. Enter. It is zoomed and fitted to our screen. To model this component, first we will start from the front view. The front view is this one, the arrow mark it shows. Take a line first. To take a line, just take line from the icon. I'm just drawing from here. I'm starting from this line. Just put a line, start a point. This is inclined line it shows. Then switch on the ortho mode by pressing F8. The total length of the model. Here you can see from this point to this point. The total length is 20 plus 18 is 38 plus 18. So 38, 48, 56. The total length is 56. Zoom it. Then thickness is 8 mm. Here you can see, which is 8. Enter. And this has to be 56. And just close it. Right click and select. Now we have created the complete rectangle. Now we need to divide into small. This length is anywhere they have specified. Yes, here they have specified that is 12 mm. Take a line again. From this point, we need to go 12. Then close. This perpendicular is not showing means just go in this arrow. Switch on this perpendicular option. Then you can able to get the perpendicular. Now again take a line. L. Enter. From this point. Now we are in this point. This length we need to specify it. 12. The total length is 18. Then this length is 6 mm. Then go for 6. Enter. Then close it. Right click and cancel. This rectangle here we have drawn. Then we just want to draw this rectangle. This is 20 mm. Take a line. From here to here it is 20. Then close it. Cancel it. And again take a line. This is a 6 mm rectangle. This inclined surface can be able to see in a 6 mm rectangle. 6. Enter. Then close it. Cancel it. Now we have created the front view of this bottom surface. Then we can able to see this view. This view we can see it as a 16 mm height rectangle. That is the mid of the line. To get the midline, just go to the line. Here we can see the midline is a triangle. Just create a dummy midline. This is the midline. Now just take a line again. From here to left side, it is 4 mm. Just go left side as 4, enter. And height is 16, enter. Total width is 8 mm, 8 mm, 8, enter. Then perpendicular. Just close it and cancel it. Then this line is not required. Just select it and delete it. Now we have created the front view. Then we'll create a top view. So this is the front view we can see in this model. Then we can go for the top view. To go for the top view, just select the line. Top view has to be drawn same downside. Now I'm just starting from this point. Just go downward here. This width is 16 mm, 16, enter. And this one is 12 mm, 12, enter. And we need to draw this one. This height has to be specified. That height is, here you can see, this is a 16. The remaining height is also be 16. So this one is 16 mm. And this height is 6 mm. This length is 6 mm. Then now we can connect this one. So to connect easily, just switch off this ortho mode. Make it right click and cancel it. Now we can delete these lines. This one is not required. This also is not required. Just select this line and delete it. Then we can go for this horizontal line. Select this one. Now switch on the ortho mode by pressing F8. This length is 20. Then again we need to draw incline this line. From here to here the distance is 6 mm. 6, enter. And the vertical distance is 16 mm. 16, enter. Now just switch off this ortho mode. Here there is an end point. Just connect it here. Right click and cancel. These two lines are not required. Just select it and delete it. Now take line again. From here to this distance is, switch on this ortho mode again. This one is 12 mm. And this thickness is 16 mm. And just close the line. Right click and cancel. Now we have created this top sketch. Then we'll create this two surface also we can able to see. That is a midline. So for that you just create a dummy line. Right click and cancel it. This is the midline. From here the thickness is 8 mm. From here to here which is 4 mm. Just 4, enter. And this one is 14 mm. The total length is 24. Then 24, enter. Again it is 8. Perpendicular. Then cancel it. Now this line is not required. Just select it and delete it. Then again go for the line. From here to here the distance is 14. Just 14, enter. Then perpendicular point. Then cancel it. So this is the top view we can see for this model. Then we can go for the any one of the side view. We can go for right side view or left side view. I'm just going for the right side view. It has to be drawn in the left side of the front view. Take a line from here. Somewhere you just come here. This point is nothing but this point. Take this one. Just start it here. Total length is 32. 32, enter. And height is 8 mm. 8, enter. Again 32. Then close the sketch. Right click, cancel. Now we have created the, use your mouse roller to adjust your screen. Just press the roller and little just move your mouse. You will get this panning of tool. And by rolling your roller front side, you will get zoom in, and back side rolling, you will get the zoom out. Now we can simply move your cursor just like this, move your model like this. Now we have created this base rectangle. This distance is 16. Then simply at the mid create one line. Right click and cancel. This two rectangle only we can able to see in this bottom. At the top we can see, take a line from this point. Height is 16 mm, 16 enter, and this one is 14, just 14 enter. This incline line we need to create, the total length is 24. For that just right click and cancel it. Take a line again. From here to here the distance is 24, enter. Now just close the line. To close the line, just take a switch off this ortho mode. Just close it. Right click and cancel it. This is the side view we can see for this model. Now we have completed this complete orthographic view. This one is the front view. This one is the top view. This one is the right side view. Now we will specify the dimension. For that, just go to the dimension. We will start from the front view. Take a linear dimension. This total length is, just switch on this ortho mode. This distance is, it has to come 56. For that, go to properties, dim style, dim STY, enter it, modify. Here symbols and arrow make it 4. Text also make it 4. Primary units make it 0. Say OK and close. Now we can able to see the dimension. Now we will specify the dimension one by one. Go for this linear dimension. This thickness is 8 mm. And go here. This height is 16 mm. Okay. Similarly, we just go for the dimension. From here to here, the distance is 12 mm. This is enough for the front view. Just for the side view, just specify the total distance of 32. And this height need not to be specified, that is 16 only. And this dimension we can specify, which is 24. This is 8 mm only. Now just go for the dimension again. And this distance is 16. And this distance is 18. This dimension we need to specify, that is 12 mm. Then we need to specify this distance, which is 20. And this total height need to be specified, which is 24. That's it. And this distance has to be specified, which is 40. Yes. Now we have finished the dimensioning as well as modeling. Now we'll naming it. One is front view. For creating a name section, go for multis text. Just simply create one box. Just click it here. Here, this is the right side view. Right side view. Just select this complete text. Specify the size as 5. Just click it. Now just move here. You will get the right side view. Just escape. Just select it. Just press it and move here. This one is the right side view. The size is little bigger it seems. Just double click here. Just select all the text. Change this into 4. Select it. Just select the sketch. Just press the left click. You can able to move. Just put it at the center. Similarly, just select the sketch. Press the Ctrl and C. You can able to copy. Here you can see copy clip 1 found. Then you just Ctrl and V. You can able to paste. So just place it here. Similarly, Control and V, just place it here. So this one is the right side view. This is not the right side view. This is the front view. Just double click here. Change this into a front. F-R-N-T. Similarly, this is the top view. Top view. Just click it. Just move this top view somewhere here. Yes. For this model, if you have created the orthographic model, I hope you like this video. In that we have finished. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share to your friends. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.